Hello everyone, this is Akash V Sharma, the monk who can help you rediscover yourself, the monk who can help you connect with your own soul, the monk who can help you decloud your mind, declutter your thoughts and succeed on your own terms. Today it's 25th of September. I am up here on the roof and the weather is extremely beautiful. Perhaps this is the best season we experience in entire year. Summers have gone, winters have to come, and it rains almost every day. But with this concept of season, I'm going to help you connect with something very relevant in our life also. You must have seen people in your life who complain about these changing seasons. You must have seen people complaining in the season of summer. Oh God, it is such a hot day. I'm not able to do my things. And in winters they also complain, oh God, what a cold day it is. I'm not even able to go out of my bed. Early morning, I'm not even able to wake up. In rainy season, they complain, it is slippery all over. It has been raining since morning. I'm not able to go out and finish my task and do my duties well and perform well. So these people find excuses for not doing their duties, find excuses for not performing their tasks, their responsibilities, and the jobs they are supposed to do, or they wish to do, they desire to do, they mean to do. And they just find excuses, they just brood about these changing seasons. In life also such things happen. We people must understand that in life also we face particular kind of seasons of pain, seasons of distress, seasons of happiness, seasons of extreme success, seasons of setbacks. And what happens with us, we people attach ourselves with only the seasons of happiness. We always want to experience only the seasons of happiness, seasons of success. But don't you know, if we talk about these seasons of the year, these seasons, winter, summer and rainy season and other seasons combinedly form a year. Ultimately, in the end of the year, we celebrate what has happened. We celebrate the 1st of January to welcome the new year. So this is what happens with us. We actually tend to forget the essence of these seasons. If winter had not come, if summers had not gone, if rainy seasons had not come and passed by, then we people would not have been even able to call it a year. In the same fashion, I just want to help you understand, in our life also, if these all things do not happen, seasons of pain, seasons of happiness, distress, success, failure and anger and laughter, and we go and experience some journey. There are n number of things that happen in our life and that happen continuously for sometimes in long run. And what happens? We people start brooding about those setbacks, those failures, those seasons of distress, and we just keep awaiting those seasons of happiness. So what happens when somebody is not enjoying winter, somebody is not enjoying summers? What is happening? He is not living in his entire year. In the same fashion, if we are not enjoying in those unexpected seasons of our life, what is happening? In those seasons, we are not living our life. We are only awaiting to live our life when expected seasons turns up. Let me put it another way. Lord Krishna in Srimad Bhagavad Gita in 2nd chapter also has said this thing. I'm using this shlok to support what I'm just going to convey you. In 2nd chapter, you can go and check it. Lord Krishna says, Matrisparshastu Konte Shitoshna Sukh Dukhda Agam Apayano Anityatam Titikshava Bharata. He means to say that this distress, this happiness are like the seasons of winters and summers. They come and they go, and the pain we feel is just because of our sensory perception. He said to Arjuna, you must not learn to attach with these seasons. You must learn to detach yourself from with these seasons and learn to act and perform your duties in every season you come across. So here what I just want to tell you, what I just want to help all of us understand, that we people should not attach ourselves with those peak seasons only. We people attach ourselves with those peak seasons. That is why we people tend to brood. We people tend to sacrifice and compromise on the gift of living. We people tend to just make our life very ordinary, while because we are attached with those peak seasons. And no season is permanent. Let me just tell you, even if you experience any peak season, that season also will go. It is human tendency. It is the law of nature that you sometimes call change. You people cannot keep eating sweets entire life. It is the taste. We know this taste very well. When it comes to human body, you know the taste of your tongue. You, after eating 2, 3, 4 rasgullas, you would want to eat something namkeen. And after something salty, after eating too much of salty, you want to eat some sweets. Okay, this is how the tendency is. This is how we people are aligned with the nature. But what is happening? By this, if we get attached, we are trying to change the law of nature that really is not in our control. So the best form of our life, the best form of ourself will only evolve, will only emerge if we detach ourselves from those peak seasons and start focusing our focus on the duties we want to perform, on the happiness we want to live. And of course, that happiness does not require any condition, does not require any season. Like those people, there have been some people who find ways to celebrate summers, who go out, who go for outing, who go for bungee jumping, who go to, sometimes people go to Rishikesh, sometimes people go to Manali in summers, and when it is winter they go to Goa. So these people find ways to enjoy every season of their life. In the same fashion, I request all of us, in fact, I'm not teaching you this, I'm teaching this to myself as well, that we must learn to live our life with no condition of this changing season. Because if these seasons of life take place, ultimately these seasons are forming a wonderful life for us, that in the end we would love to celebrate and welcome a new life, a new birth. So it's ultimately up to us. We want to celebrate this with extreme enthusiasm because we lived it with no condition, we lived it with no regret, with no feeling of distress. In every season we lived it fully. And another phase can be if we want to feel sad about it, that we did not live it because we were all time waiting for perfect conditions, for perfect seasons according to us. So guys, let me just tell you, if there are seasons of distress in your life, if there are seasons of pain, seasons of setback, and life is not turning up your way, let me just tell you, this is just a season, and enjoying in the season is your choice. Here I would take a pause, and I just hope that you loved watching this video. I request you to subscribe to our channel, to like this video if you really loved it, and share with everybody on WhatsApp, on your social media, on Facebook, and every platform wherever you want, so that this video can help people enjoy their life unconditionally. This video can help people deal in better way with these seasons of life. I just would like to welcome you again in the next video. Stay tuned with me. Thank you so much for watching.